Hey, what's going on? I'm heading out to LA in a couple hours. It's 11:43. My flight is at 6 p.m. this afternoon. Now, I don't have great proper vlogging equipment. I do have a GorillaPod and like a cheap-ish Sony camera. I don't have great audio. Apologize for that. I made a decision that I'm going to be vlogging this trip. Psyched to see you, West Coast. Not my first time on the West Coast. It's not like I go that often, and really looking forward. Boom. Yeah. What am I forgetting? I always feel like I'm forgetting something. Let's put my backpack here. I noticed about the memory, I can't really over-record. Let's hit the road, yes. Alright. Heading to Passaic. We'll check in there. My bag. No. One thing I'm not going to miss from the East Coast. Arriving now. Hi. Here, the Uber. Awesome. I like the song. Alright. Alright. See, I'm vlogging. You know this? Camera? I'm vlogging. Hello. There we go. My girl Susanna, right? Gate A31. You know how it is, we out here heading on the plane. Always waiting to finish a shot. Not kidding.
Everyone safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until we have arrived at the gate. Be careful in retrieving your items from the beds overhead and may have to consume this flight. Airplane mode is no longer required. Feel free to make contact.
All good, all good. Appreciate that. So, we found parking. D. No, I'm at like hole E. What's that? What's going on there? Action in the back of me. Not sure what's going on. I think some people busted smoking bud at the airport. Where? You see a dude vlogging? Sharp, right? See, nobody realizes I have instructions coming in my ear. Where I'm on the phone. You know where it's at? The man himself. Oh. Yeah, what's going on? Good. Life is nice. No, dude. How are you? I'm good. Great to see you, man. Good morning. Good morning from Los Angeles, California. It's gorgeous here. It is excitingly nice. Oh, delicious. I feel like I'm in summer camp. Let's shift into a, what do they call them? I forgot the term. You know, like when they do this music and the cool shots, slow motion? Well, we're shifting into that. I'm sorry. I don't remember what it's called. I'm not moving. It is so nice here. Oh my God. Amazing. It was 100% worth the fly out here for this sun right now. So, even though I really rather sit around and chill and enjoy the weather, coming here, I knew that a big part of this trip, in a sense, even though I'm just coming for extended weekend, for not such a specific reason, other than I got a good deal and my brother lives out here, love to spend time with him. I'm running the Miami Marathon, Sunday, January the 28th, coming up. I'm running a half marathon. It's my first kind of running thing. I'm running for Team Lifeline, which is for an unbelievable organization, which is High Lifeline, which helps kids with chronic illnesses, provide them with summer camp, Camp Simcha. We provide over 400 kids every summer with a place to just go and kind of distract them from all the crazy stuff that's going on in their life. So I'm running a marathon, raising money for that. Please consider giving, link in description. I'm almost at my goal, but training-wise in New York, it gets really difficult. I am going to hopefully get in a nice couple of runs, but I'm about to head out right now for my first run in California. Anyway, I'm going for a run. Yeah, I'm not running with this vlogging camera. Let's do after my run. I'd love to do a running montage. That's the word! Montage, I couldn't remember. Oh my God. I really wish I could take you along, but I can't. This is kind of a cool shot. Wish I could take you along on my run, but it's just, I don't know. Just not gonna happen. I need to run. I need to focus on running. So I'll see you after, peace.
A few moments later.
Change of plans. We're gonna do a quick running montage. Yeah. Run. I think I'm moving out here. You guys have summer in the winter. This is my Logan Paul tribute.
And if you have something in your hand and you want to dab, you do like.
Oh, okay. So now this is how to dab.
Yeah.
Dabbing 101. How do you dab? Let's say you have something in your hand. This is a good technique. Okay. So, haven't checked in a while. It is Sunday afternoon, and we're gonna go with the kids on like a family-friendly trip.
Let's go vlog.
There you go.
Yeah, I'm so excited. So I'm vlogging right now. We're at my house. I'm vlogging around. Don't listen to her. I love vlogging. My uncle is a vlogger. I love vlogging. And should I show you my room. My mom doesn't like to show my room because it's very messy.
We're gonna crash. What's cool about this is when you watch this, I'm gonna be cutting out like a lot of it. So it's chop it down. Is that?
Not like very fast.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah. What was that? What was that? Dab? Dab? How does the music come when you start dabbing?
I don't know.
That's crazy. You hear that?
Yeah.
You dab and there's music.
Yeah.
Right? Go, go, go. Where's the music coming from? You put... Yo, whose roller skates are those? No, they're yours? And what's your last name? What's your last name? And what do you have? Ah, that's so funny! It's actually not funny. Yes. What is up, people? Good morning. This is my last day here. Heading back tomorrow morning. Flight is at like 6, so I gotta be at the airport like 5. So I gotta be at the airport like what, 5? So I'm gonna go drive my brother to work, get the car. Boom! We out here in Venice Beach. I'm gonna try to go for a run here. Well-spent morning-ish. This is not even awesome. This is me driving a car. I love this place. I don't want to ever leave. At the climbing gym. This is my first experience climbing at a climbing gym. Hey. Here we go. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it. He's taking off his pants. Thanks, man. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I apologize again for the audio. I'm not so happy with it. It was a great learning experience, this vlog, in terms of any future travel vlogs I'm going to do. There's a part 2 to this, so don't go away. I'm going to link it up right here. Check out part 2. It was a pretty crazy adventure getting home. I had fun with it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.